Whether you're hosting a dinner party or in the car, you can often find yourself adjusting the background music volume whenever someone starts talking. This could be a inconvenient process for you to like stand up, change the volume, and then change it back after just talking for a few seconds. This is the motivation for us to design this system adaptive music player, a music player that listens to the room the same way as you do.
So for our project, we have two modes. The first one is auto mode, and then the second one is manual mode. In terms of auto mode, is essentially where our buzzer will automatically adjust is volume up or down based on the environmental noises. So for example, if there's a conversation going on and it captured from the sound sensor, the buzzer will be adjusting its volume to lower compared to higher and vice versa.
For better sensing, we need to calibrate the system with the environment noises first and then talking directly into the sound sensor so that it will be better at capturing the volume range.
When I'm talking, the volume should decrease. Testing, testing, testing.
Another thing to mention is that we adopted rolling average and exponential smoothing so that when I'm actually talking into the microphone, you can notice how the volume changes is smoother and there's no abrupt spikes, which improves the user experience. Auto adjustments, we also allow users to change the volume in manual mode with the remote control. Music is only one part of the experience. Now let's talk about music playback. So as you can see with in manual mode, you'll be able to change the volume with the remote control like this. And if you want to use auto mode, you can just click the star button. And now your volume is controlled by the environment noises with the sound sensor.
Now we introduce the authentication capability using RFID. So first we tap the correct ID and you can see it starts a timer of 30 seconds. If we tap again, it basically goes back to 30 seconds for the countdown. This just allows user to use the controller to change the settings, for example, switching between music or adjusting the volume. Now we are showing if you tap the wrong ID, it doesn't really do anything. And currently we're just waiting for the time to go out as it counts down. So when the time is out, it will have a little X showing on the screen. So this just as an indication that the user will not be able to change anything.